I'm sharing my screen. Hope you all see my screen, right?
Yes, Lakshmi, can able to.
Yeah. So where we are in the yesterday class is, I can recap the yesterday's class. So we have maintained the number range for the controlling documents, and the same controlling documents for that we have maintained the versions for the controlling, and we have defined the document type mapping variant for the CO business transaction, and another step is check and define default values for posting in a controlling. And then we have defined the ledger for CO versions. So now we are going to define today the profit center and cost center hierarchies. So for this, we have to go to the SPRO, financial accounting. The financial accounting, go to the general ledger. This master data. The master data, you have to create the profit center. Now we are creating the profit center, right? In this, we are doing what's our controlling area. So I'm going to define profit center hierarchy. Now I don't have any profit center hierarchy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create one. First of all, why we need to define the profit center hierarchy? Just wanted to understand. This is the standard hierarchy. It is assigned, and the same thing it is assigned to the profit center level. So summarization note where you wanted to assign this to your company code and controlling area. So direct relation with that. So when you are earning profits or income, this is hitting to the profit center related GLs and the as well as the profit center. So profit center is belongs to in a controlling area as well as in a finance related. It's in a it is having two types of nodes. One is in a profit center. Profit center, it is a directly relation, and another one is in a summarization related. So first of all, we just wanted to check few settings. Our profit center related settings is active or not. I'm just going and checking. What is our CO area? 2511. So this is active. Profit center accounting is active for 2511. Okay, this is a checking activity where you have to do. Where is my clear? Then define the profit center hierarchy. So we don't have any hierarchy. Now we have to define the hierarchy. I'm going to take any of the reference. I'm going to take 2505, any of the profit center group. Just I'm taking in a reference to create my hierarchy. So I'm going to give my profit center group like 2000. First, I have to create my profit center group. This is my head of the department. Okay. So like this, you have to segregate the node. So this is under year 2511. So first I'm going to save this data. Now if I'm going and checking my why it is coming this. Let me go back. Why it is directly opening Codanda? This one is okay. So first of all, I just wanted to create my profit center group. So I just wanted to create profit center group. I'll create the profit center group with the reference of other profit center. So what I'll do, I'll go to the ACH1. Why it is coming this one? So as it is, I'm going to create 2511C. It is not exist this. Guys, hold on line. So I wanted to fix this. Guys, wait for 5 minutes. I'm just fixing it. This is something we are not getting new option, new creation option. Udatapani, you're there in the call? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, yeah, Lakshmi, I'm there.
We're not getting a new entries option here. It's directly opening 2505. Is something the authorization issue?
Maybe the authorization issue only.
Yeah, because it is directly opening 2505.
Uh,
It is
yeah.
not it is not allowing us to create a profit center hierarchy.
Check
Hmm.
once
For example,
SU53 screenshot.
sorry,
Check once SU53. It will show if it is authorization.
who's speaking?
SU53. I am Jeevita.
SC53 screenshot, Jyoti. Take another screen and SC53. There it will show.
No, I have checked
Hmm.
it already. It is not showing. Something is the this is the global setting level, no? It will not show that.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, time being, hold this no, setting, so I'll check with him.
Move on other settings.
Hmm.
I think so. Let's see if it is a cost center hierarchy also. If it is giving same thing, we have to stop today the class and we need to fix it. Okay, so coming to this, today I have to stop this profit center hierarchy. I have to get this authorization issue should be fixed. It is not something issue with the configuration or something in the finance. This is a security issue where they have to assign the creation role. Okay, SPRO. I'm going to create the segment. What is the use of segment? Do you people are any having idea? What is the purpose of segment? Okay, so segment is in a one of the organizational node. See, earlier in ECC, we used to jot it down the reports related to your area wise. So we can able to create in a business area and segment parallelly, and we used to get the information based upon that. So how it is like that? So if your business is having different locations, they'll be creating as in a business areas and as well as segments. Segment, what we will call it as here, in one company, they do have different operations. What we will call marketing, sales, finance, treasury, like that. They do have different sales and distribution, retail. These all are the departments where they'll be calling it as a segments. If they wanted to get the report with the business area and the segment wise, for example, I have my business area is in Kerala. So I can be calling it as something. It is now, it is a business place. So earlier days, what I am doing is my architecture, I'll be creating a business area. So what is my business area? Kerala. In the Kerala, area, what is my operations? What is my segment? That segment is nothing but maybe I'll be doing some marketing and retailing there. So after retailing and marketing, how much profit you are getting? That will be associated with your segment, and that is a master data where the segment master record, it is directly related with profit center. The profit center wise you will get a data. So not data, it's a profit center wise you will get a report. You can submit to the your higher authority how the report is coming with the segment wise. Now I'm going to create segment. Now we don't have a business area which is obsoleted in S4HANA. It is there in ECC. Now, if you wanted to do such a way, like what I said, the architecture, no? Based upon that architecture, if you wanted to create, you have to create the business place. For example, in India, you are exploring your business in different places like Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore, Hyderabad. Sorry, it is in Pune and Mumbai. These locations, Kerala. If you wanted to expand that, if you wanted to get your report in the segment wise and the business place wise and the profit center wise. So in such cases, what you have to define, your higher nodes will be segment and profit center here. So business area is obsoleted. So this is one of the interview question. What is obsoleted? This you have to say that. For defining the segment. So I didn't define any segment as of now. I'm going to define segment. Click on new entries. 2511. Just I'm keeping as an A now. 2511 segment A. Or either you can put it as a 2511 marketing, like that you can put it. Okay. 2511 underscore B. 2511 segment B. Okay. I'm just saving it. So my segment hierarchy is defined here now. If you want, you can check it. So here only it is written segment for segment reporting. It is, if you can check it here. 2511 wise, you can check it. I can give 2511. See, these are your segments. So here, if you can see, business area concept is there for the consolidation purpose. We don't have any purposes for the separately for the finance. So we are not going to utilize this. Okay. Now what we have to do that set the standard hierarchy for the country basis. Now which country we are creating? Yes. Okay. So this is a country specific setting, correct? Na? So I have to do country specific setting. I just wanted to go to SPRO and run SAP NetWeaver. So you have to go here general settings, set currencies. Here you can define countries in SAP system. So if you wanted to define some countries or regions, just go to this one. Just check it out our region is there or not. If not, you have to. So our US country is there. So I just wanted to check my all procedures and see team. I just wanted to explain this to you people. Yeah. So here you can see the date format and decimal characters. I can see this 1, 234, 567.89. This format only you have to enter the values in your system. For example, while you are posting any documentation, any transactions you are recording, you have to take this format only. If anything, that's what when I'm entering any value, system will be saying that that format is wrong. So that's what you have to follow this decimal values. We have so many decimal values here. You can change it accordingly with your convenient. Okay. But as of now, this is the US related. US related, we have only this format. And here the for the country, for this country, what is the properties which is related to that, what is ISO code and what if we are going to use the layout for print format, it is showing all this one, address routines. So based upon that only, your parameters will be triggering in the transaction screen, which is related to the all the modules, because this is a global setting where has to be checking activity. You have to do the checking activity. This. So here, for example, in US, you have uh, if it is US, you have different currencies. For example, your business is in US. You wanted to maybe explore your business in Great Britain, all other countries. You just might be changing here. You did not get the doubt here. So I'm just define euro. So because I want my hard currency in euro, where maybe I'll be getting some invoices are sourcing from other country, which is I can say that European Union. So Union is comes under all the Europe countries, which is comes under that. I can say that Denmark, uh, Germany. So we have etc. related countries are there. It will be coming some business. So I have just defined Euro. So in the same way, you will also define if it is your business is there in some other countries. Okay. Well, after checking this, you just have to do the ledger settings for this. So just go back, go to the SPRO and financial accounting. So are you following me? If you are not understanding, let me know.
Yes, Lakshmi.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So go to the ledger and the ledgers in that ledgers. Define setting for ledger and currency type. This is just a warning. So we have already currency type. So now in the currency type, what we are going to create the currency type. So did you heard about any currency types? See, we have a currency type of 10, 30. I was saying that we have 10 currencies in a S4 HANA. Okay. I'm saying that
Yes.
one currency. This is in a 10, which is company code currency where you wanted to do. And 30 is the group currency. 40 is the hard currency. And 50 is your local currency. And 60 is your global currency, global company code currency. And 70 is your controlling object currency. So like this, you have a different currencies like reporting currency also there. You have an particular USD currency you can create. So such a way you can create 10 currencies here. So what I am doing is here my currency is also there already. I'm just creating my currency. For example, I'm just copying which is there already. This is my company currency, company code currency, where I can see this is a standard currency. I'm going to use it. I don't want to change my currency every time. For example, I can say 10. So 10 is my currency. So currently what I have used the currency only global currency, which I'm setting in the controlling area. You have seen earlier this one. If you want, we can create separately the new currency also, but we have to define all. Okay. So I'm just going to create my currency. It will be created in a two numeric or two alphabetic this. Okay. Mm, let's see. I will be creating an GC, my currency, add currency, 2511. So what is my currency? USD. Fine. For legal valuation. This is for legal valuation purpose. And just you have to select. Is it my company code specific or not? So it is already exists this one. Maybe I can put it as a G1. G1 also already exists. Something I'll create EEB. Okay. Okay. So I'm just creating EEB for this add a currency. So we have to see this country code specific. So I just wanted to tell you the some screen change here. In earlier in S4 HANA, we have the same settings like currency and valuation description and short description and valuation view where you have to define. So it was added additionally now. Um, see subtype valuation and plain currency type. So in earlier what we have setting definition level. Setting definition level is nothing but what on what level you are setting up. This was not in the tick mark. It's a like this only selection parameter was there. This was little change at the screening. If you can see the in ECC, is a screen which I am saying that will be there. This is an S4 HANA screen. Just you can save this. This all are warnings, no issues. Just click on the tick mark. This is something related to CO, material ledgers. Now you have to click on the global currencies. So against to your, we have already created AB, right? This is a currency and valuation type. We will check it out. We will be creating the AB also here, or either we can take it as any one of the reference. For example, I'll be taking reference of this. Maybe I'll create my AB. Sorry, guys. The AB is not used for the global currency setting as they say. So we are not going to use for this because this is you are doing the customization. We have to utilize uh, the predefined one which is standard. Now what is SEP suggested? We are already predefinedly creating um, currencies in the system. No need to create separately. These are the 10, 10, 30, 40, 50, 60. These all are the currencies which is created in the standard. You should not use the separate one which is created newly. If it is your transaction type is changing, for example, if you are not utilizing exchange rate, it's not a standard. Then you can change it, your currency. You can create your currency in a separate manner. See here we have different currency types. There might be an maybe bank buying rate or bank selling rate. Based upon that, if you are loading data in the system, so it might be plan data. It might be create a separate currency type or valuation type to assign, and how you are utilizing also you have to define here. Okay, here I'll show. Hello, hello. You are able to hear me? Hello,
Yeah, hi Lakshmi.
you are able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
It was disconnected my call in the middle. I think so. Okay, I am sharing again the screen. You all can see my screen, right?
Yes, we can see.
Yeah. So again, I'm going to financial accounting global settings, where we are define settings for ledger and currency types. Okay, I'm already open this. So here I'm just showing the currency types. Global currencies you have, then you have to go to the currencies which is related to how it is defined here. So each and every parameter uh, we have a different functionality. What is your source currency, which is coming from other system to here? What is your source currency? What is your document currency, which is defined here? And you are posting this is in the real time, or it is in a downtime. Downtime, which is nothing but you are downsizing the system and you are uploading your data. Means it is not running your system. So translation dates, all this is currency and your currency type, which is company code currency or controlling area currency or group currency, which is defining here, and the source currency, which is coming from other third party systems, and document currency, which is now why you are defining this. When you are posting the document, mostly the people will use document currency. For example, I have a US related business, but still maybe I'll be posting in a euro. So that will be converted based upon your controlling area settings. Here you'll defining your global conversion settings. Based upon that, it will be convert that. And you are defining the standard translation at average level. When you are uploading your exchange rates in the system, which is part of GL module. So based upon that only, when you are posting an entries in the system, it will be convert. Maybe if you are loaded euro to USD, if you are posting some document in a euro currency, if you are maintained the ratio 1 is to 1, the same currency will be updated. So it depends upon the maintenance of the exchange rate in the system. And if it is a conversion related, it's a real time conversion. Means when you are entering at the time only, the conversion will happen. You can see that conversion of the amount which is changing from euro to USD. So for that purpose, we are doing this all settings. So coming to this currency valuation. Now,
So the
I'm
currency
waiting.
details already, Lakshmi.
Sorry, come again.
This currency details in the screen. This was
I was
already
saying that these
updated.
currencies are already global settings.
Okay.
See in S4 HANA, what it is said that we have earlier 3 currencies. Now we have 10 currencies, including of the 3 currencies. So this is in a global setting where it is a setting of currency. You just have to pick up from the system and assign to your company code.
Okay. We no need to create in separately for this.
You should not create. If you wanted to create customization, that depends upon your customer requirement. For example, I was saying that your exchange rate, you are not taking as a moving average. So then if you are using separate, what it is, exchange rate type, in such cases, what you have to do? You have to create your customized one. For example, I just created for your purpose how to create AB. Correct, na? For that purpose, you just have to create your own currency and you can set up to the same currency. For example, this is the currency setting which I have created. Maybe I can assign to my company code the same currency which I created now. For example, I have created AB. Maybe AB I can assign here like this.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm stopping here. Tomorrow I'll be continue from here. And also this we have to check with the authorization team to fix the profit center related issue. So maybe once it is fixed, I can give you that. I'll go back and I'll show you the how to fix this creation of profit center hierarchy.